Hello and welcome back to EaseUS. In today's video, we will have a complete guide of Burn ISO to USB drive. An ISO image is a file with all elements needed to create an OS or program. It can be used for data transfer, data backup, OS migration, or system installation, reinstallation, program duplication, backup, migration, etc. A common use is burn different version of Windows ISO image to USB for installation. So step 1, check the USB file system to make sure it's ready. Right-click and click on Properties. You will need a FAT32 file system USB. Change the file system in Format, File System. Also, the storage of the USB must be more than 32 GB. If you have a big storage USB like 128 GB, you will need a professional software to help you convert it. Then you need to download the ISO image file that you want to burn to the USB. Here we take Windows 10 ISO file, for example. The download link is in the description. You can burn the Windows ISO to USB and use it to install Windows in a new computer. After everything is ready, we can burn ISO to USB by EaseUS Partition Master within a few clicks. You can also use this software to set up USB for multiple different purposes, including format 128 GB USB to FAT32. Fix USB won't format to FAT32 error, format USB for PS4, PS5, check file system error on USB, etc. Install and open EaseUS Partition Master, go to Bootable Media, Burn ISO. Browse and find the Windows ISO file you download. You can also download Windows 10 or 11 ISO file inside of the software. Click on Next and confirm the USB. It's going to take some time. Wait patiently until it's finished. All right, that's all we want to share in this video. Subscribe us if it's helpful for you. I'll see you in the next one.